What's up? Welcome to the channel. My name is Chris Ferguson, and let's get straight into it. If you're trying to get a six-pack, trying to get your abs right, there's many things you gotta do. One, you gotta eat clean. Two, you should do some cardio. Three, you also have to do some type of consistent ab routine. So if you don't have an ab machine or you don't have a gym membership, there ain't no excuse, because there's stuff at the house that you can use to get right. So one of the things I'm gonna show you in this video is certain ways to do ab exercises at the house that's gonna be beneficial. So the first one is, this pretty much for beginners. Like, you can look around your house, everybody got something in their house they can kick their feet up under, whether it's the couch, the bed, whatever. So for this particular exercise, I'm gonna use this rail right here. Rail, bar, whatever you wanna call it. You put your feet up under there, so your feet are obviously under here for a reason, to keep your body from constantly rocking back and forth. So what you do is simply just put your feet up under there, lean back. These are called, I don't know the exact name, crunches, whatever you want to call them, but they get your abs right. So probably if you're a beginner, let's probably start out with a cool set of 20. You know what I'm saying? And as you get more comfortable doing it, increase the reps. So simple as this. So you're gonna wanna go back and forth as low as you possibly can go. And once your core gets stronger and your abs actually get stronger, you'll be able to go down further. But if you're a beginner, these right here are just fine. Don't do too much in the beginning and hurt yourself. But those are some good exercises for your upper abs. Now, you wanna do something for your lower abs and your core. You wanna find something around the house that has a little bit of weight on it, or something that you can put your arms around that's not gonna move. So for example, right here, we got this desk, or whatever you wanna call it, cabinet. So what I'm gonna do is, simple as this, and y'all seen this done plenty of times, so y'all ain't got no excuses. Right here at the house. So what you're gonna do is grab it with both hands, extend your legs out, fully extend your legs, and you're gonna go up, come down. Don't let your feet touch the ground. Try to keep your feet like 5 to 6 inches off the ground. Now this is gonna work on your core, your lower back, in your lower abs. 7 to 10 reps is cool for about 4 to 5 sets. All right, so let's get to it. Now, as you do this, you're gonna feel your lower abs and your back engaged. Do as many as you can, 7 to 10 reps. Now, if you're more advanced, there's other things you can do, such as this for your lower abs. One, you can hold it. Hold it for as long as you possibly can. Two, you can go wide. Now this is gonna work on your legs too, going in and out. 3, bicycle kick. Lock your legs out. So, as you get stronger, as your core develops and gets stronger, there's other exercises you can do to build abs as well as lower back and core strength. I'm gonna give you a quick example, but other than that, that's pretty much all you need to know from a beginner standpoint. Now, as you get a stronger core, you won't necessarily need to use anything for tension. You can do it on your own. For example, keeping your back off the ground and keeping your feet elevated 4 to 6 inches off the ground is gonna be an amazing exercise for your core. Now, it may look simple, But if you don't have good core strength, when you try to do it, I guarantee you're gonna look like this. You're gonna shake, you're gonna come down, and you're gonna fall. The more you do this, practice it for 2-3 weeks, after a while, you're gonna just be able to hold it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I encourage you to try this at home. You ain't got no excuses to make. Y'all can do this at home, in the office, wherever. You don't need any equipment, you don't need a gym membership. So like I said, the cheat code is eating clean and getting cardio in weekly. The ab routine is definitely gonna help you to start seeing some results. Consistency is the key. Don't make any excuses. Let's get it.